Okay, so hello students, welcome to the microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. Okay, so in this video I'll explain how to execute the 7 segment display program in order to display the hexadecimal digits from 0 to F. Okay, so this is your evaluation board, LPC2148 evaluation board. So here I have given the power supply. Okay, so this is the communication port. So using this communication port, we have connected the LPC2148 evaluation board with the CPU. Okay, so 4 7 segment displays are there, and these are the switches provided for switch off and switch on the 7 segment displays. Okay, so as I told in the theory, it is U8, U9, U10 and U11. 4 7 segment displays are there. Okay, and so I'll show you how to execute the program. So this is your FlashMagic. FlashMagic, double click on the FlashMagic. Okay, see here, first we have to select the evaluation board. So we are using LPC2148 evaluation board, so that device I have selected, and communication port is used to connect the evaluation board with the CPU, so that is communication port 6. Okay, so baud rate is 19200 and interface none, and oscillator frequency is 12 megahertz. Okay, so now first here we have to browse the path for the hex file of the 7 segment display. So here the hex file is created for the 7 segment display program. Okay, so we have to double click on this. So path is selected, so we have to dump the hex file into the flash memory of the LPC2148 evaluation board. So in order to dump, click the start button. So now see this one, programming device. So this green mark, that is the dumping the hex file into the flash memory of the evaluation board. So now your program is running now. So to see the output, first we have to switch on the 7 segment display. See here, it is displaying the hexadecimal digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to F. So it will display. So we can use only one 7 segment display, or we can go for 2 7 segment displays, 3, 4 7 segment displays we can use in order to display the hexadecimal digits from 0 to F. Okay, so hope you understood. Thank you.